Hi everybody, this is Michaela with Nail Supply Inc. back with another video. Today we are going to be doing some nail art using the Gelish Cream Gel palettes. For the first nail, I did a base of Hip Hop Coral and I went ahead and did 2 coats of that one. For this nail art design, we're going to be doing an ombre, so I went ahead and put my sponge in the red neon color and I started patting it into the base color, focusing on all the pigment being at the bottom and brushing it forward. For the second nail art design, I'm going to be putting a base down of Soaring Above It All by Gelish. Again, with this one, I do go in with 2 coats of polish. For this nail art design, we're going to be doing a watercolor nail. So you're going to pick a couple desired colors and just start sponging them onto the nail in no specific way. With the first layer of colors, you're just trying to put color down where you want it. We're not trying to look for opaqueness in this one. That will be for the second layer. Now that we are going in with that second layer of the cream gels, you'll be able to see more of the color and we can focus more on bringing that color out instead of just doing it for the layout. The Gelish Cream Gels do have a thicker viscosity, so you don't have to worry about it running on the sides. It stays in place where you put it down. Now we just top coat it and we are done with our design. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you next week.